Have you ever thought about how artificial intelligence might change your IELTS exam? Well, guess what? Topics about technology and AI are already appearing in IELTS tasks. And if you're not ready, you can lose valuable points. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll show you the essential vocabulary, sample questions, and even a model answer that will help you impress the examiner. First, let's explore some key vocabulary you must know. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI is transforming the way we work and communicate. Automation. Many jobs are being replaced due to automation. Data privacy. One major concern with AI is data privacy. Innovation. Technological innovation drives economic growth. Job displacement. AI may cause job displacement in traditional industries. Notice how I don't just give you the words, I also show you how to use them naturally in sentences. These words are pure gold if you want to score Band 7 or higher. Now let's practice with a real IELTS writing Task 2 style question. Some people believe that artificial intelligence will create more problems than it solves. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Here's a tip. Use a clear structure. This is an opinion. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Question. You must clearly state your position. Do you strongly agree, somewhat agree, disagree, or have a balanced view? Justify your position. Provide logical reasons and relevant examples. Structure your essay properly. Use a clear 4-paragraph or 5-paragraph structure. Here's a simple but effective strategy to plan your essay successfully. Key pre-writing tip. Brainstorm. Dedicate time to generating ideas. Balance is key. Outline both the pros and the cons of the issue. Aim for 3. Develop at least 3 solid points for each side. Result. This plan will make the writing stage easier and your essay more coherent. Here are some potential problems created by AI and some potential problems solved by AI. Feel free to pause the video to review them in detail. A clear essay structure is key to a high score. Here's a basic framework you can follow. Introduction, paraphrase the topic plus give your opinion. Body 1, advantages of AI such as efficiency and accuracy. Body 2, disadvantages like job loss and privacy issues. Conclusion, restate your opinion. This structure keeps your essay balanced and easy to follow. You can find the sample answer in the comments. Let's also try a quick IELTS Speaking Part 3 style question. How has technology changed the way people work? Here is a strong, structured answer for an IELTS Speaking Part 3 question on this topic. For Speaking Part 3, you need to give extended, thoughtful answers. A good structure is 1. Direct answer. Start with a direct, general answer to the question. 2. Develop with examples. Elaborate on your main point with 1 to 2 specific examples. 3. Show a balanced view, optional but good. Mention a different perspective or a potential downside to show depth of thought. 4. Conclude briefly. Summarize your main point in 1 short sentence. You can find this sample answer in the comments. So if you found this lesson useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you think AI is more helpful or harmful for our future?